go, we're just heading back to the boat ramp after catching 6 crabs. Linda's in the tiller, getting used to handling the boat. There's all our pots, and there's the crabs we caught in there. We got 6, and we had to work pretty hard to get them, but we've got enough for lunch, so we're happy with that. Little boat's cruising along like a beauty. Goes like a charm. And time is 11:30.